Dumpster Save, Part 1.
Three-part series coming up. Prep, paint, protect. We are going to show you, we've got a table that we are going to be saving from the rubbish dump. I got it as a gift from a friend. Very scared that she's going to ask for it back once I'm done with it. But I'll show you this little table. It was in her garage for a very long time. There's some serious prep work to do there. But what we are going to be needing for prep is some block and tackle, spirits and a lappy. I'm going to be using a sander because it's paint that's been chipping off, so we need a smooth surface. And then I'm going to use a sponge roller for the block and tackle. We will take you through our prep. So this is the table. Very, very bad condition right now. We are, like I said, we're going to prep it. And then the plan is to do some decoupage. And then we'll paint a solid color, but we'll take you through the steps.
Stacy, can I come over?